best books of the world. Do you know which 10 to put?
No, sir.
No, because best books, there is a difference of opinion here, right? You may like 10 other books, I may like 10 different books. So this is not well defined. All right. So
Yes, sir.
this will not be a set, but this will be a set. All right. So this is what set is, a collection of well defined objects. Now the other thing, if there is an element in set, then we write A belongs to A. If A is a set and A is an element of this set, all right, then this is called belong to, or is in set A. All right, simply means this is in set A. All right.
Yes, sir. Understood.
If it is not there, then we write A does not belong in A. All right, very easy. There are two ways we write a set in. One is roster form, one is set builder form. Peer, can you tell me what is roster form?
Sir, when you you define the you write it as A is equal to X, the set, all set of X, all set of X.
And the condition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is set builder form. I'm asking roster form.
Roster form. Yeah, you will write. You will define that set builder form.
All right, Mazia, can you tell me what is roster form?
So it is the thing that we describe the elements in brackets, like
Right.
braces.
Absolutely right. Okay, Gloria, suppose I tell you 9 books, right? Class 9 books. Then you write set A, brackets. All right, brackets. And you write mathematics books, science book. All right, history, geography, like that. All right, if you define all the elements in that set, all right, this is called roster form. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if they ask you to write down even numbers between 1 to 10, then you will write 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, right? Like this. This is roster form. All right.
Yes, sir.
What is set builder form? Set builder form. See, these numbers can be very, very large, right? There can be a lot of numbers. So writing them all down is very difficult. So we put a condition like this set. I said A equals to or B equals to all even numbers from 0 to 10, right? This and this, totally same thing, right, Gloria?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is set builder form, where we write down the condition which can satisfy all these elements. All right. The proper way of writing, Peer will tell. What is the proper way of writing, Peer?
Sir, curly bracket and then X is to X. Sir,
condition,
and
right? X is such that P of X holds a condition like this. I told you in the last class, right? For this question, what will we write? Mazia, can you tell me? For set B, what can we write in set builder form?
So B is equal to the curly bracket for set B, right?
Right.
Then is to X is to X, and then all even numbers.
Should I write here even numbers or what? Think about this. We can write X equals to 2n, right? Even numbers, and n belongs to natural numbers.
Yes.
And n is less than
11.
11. Think about this again. See, we have written 2n. So n can be only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Because 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, 5.
Yeah. 5 or 6, because
6,
we want
6.
10 or 6. Right? In Mazia, what you are saying, we can write that also. X is a even number and X is less than 11. Right? Clear? Both ways are right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gloria, did you get any ideas how to write in set builder form?
Yes, somewhat I got it.
Yeah. So this is the condition. And if we have to write from 2 to 1000, this is very lengthy, right? Roster form. So we can just change it to n is 501 and we can write down all the numbers, right? So this is the way to go. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. What is an empty set? Peer?
Sir, empty set where there is no set.
No
It's
set.
there's no X.
No elements, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
set is a bag, there is no element in it. So this is called empty set. How do we represent it? What is its symbol?
Sir,
Phi.
0 and dash. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this is called phi, not 0 and dash. All right.
Okay.
Phi. Or we can write this as simply this: curly brackets with no element. All right, Gloria, this is called empty set or null set. All right, or sometimes even they call void set. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you will get all the notes. Don't worry about noting it down. All right, don't worry. There are things called finite and infinite set. Mazia, what is finite set and infinite set?
A set which has definite number of elements,
It's finite set. Infinite is
which has infinite number of elements.
infinite number of elements. All right. Peer equal sets. How do we know two sets are equal?
Sir, if the A element and the B element have same numbers.
A element and B element have same numbers. Is this right?
Same sets.
Yeah, A set and B set have equal elements, totally identical elements, then they are equal sets, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, Gloria.
Yes, sir.
All right. After this, we have studied subsets. Now Peer will answer what is subset.
Sir, is it like the extra element in the extra set in A and B? Like B will have extra set and A will be subset to B.
Extra sets.
Yes, sir.
Did I use anything like extra while I was telling you about subsets?
No, sir.
No, right? Mazia, can you tell me what is a subset?
It is like a set inside the set.
Set inside the set. All right. Did you guys go at home and revise it again, or do you just write down and forget about it? See, subset, you can explain in your own language also. See, subset is nothing. See, subset, yes, we know that subsets come from this, but doesn't have to come from this. All right. There can be a totally different set. All right. Suppose in Mazia's school bag, there are 4 books. All right. English, mathematics, social sciences, and physics, suppose. All right. And in Peer's bag, there is an English book. All right. Can I say P is a subset of M?
No, sir.
No. All right. Mazia?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. Peer, see.
Sir, how, sir?
Yes. Because subset doesn't come from this. It may seem like that. All right. See, the clear basic definition, forget about the official definitions. The basic definition is if all the elements of one set is present in the other set. All right. If I'm saying
Sir,
each, yeah,
sir,
ask.
but M is not there in E. I means in P.
Right, absolutely. But I'm saying P is a subset of M. So we have to see if all the elements of P are in M. All right.
Sir, which P are you saying, sir? In M.
No. Oh, sorry.
The
You are
physics.
confused about this. Just remove this. All right. Now, I'm talking about this P set, not the P element. Okay, I get it. Why you are confused. Okay. Here, P set is a subset of M. Is this right?
Sir, still I don't understand, sir.
Okay. This is a name. All right. We are given a name to this set P, which is one element. This is for your name, Peer.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
In your school bag, there is only one book, English book. In Mazia's school bag, there are 4 books, 3 books. All right.
Yes, sir.
If I say P is a subset of M, that means this set is a subset of this set. What does this mean? All the elements in P are present in M. Am I
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
See, look at the elements of P. There is E. Is E present in this? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So P can be a subset of M, but M is not a subset of P.
Sir, I was thinking M English maths. Sir, I thought math you're saying about.
Oh, no. I'm asking about this. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
how to check subset or not? All the elements of first set should be present in the other set. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gloria.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Oh, all right. So if I ask you, there is a set A, 1, 2. How many subsets can we write from this? See, this is a subset, right? This is a subset. This is a subset, right, Gloria? Because 1 is present in this, 2 is present in this, 1 and 2 is present in this. So B, C, D all are subset of A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And phi is also a subset of A, all right? Because null set is subset of every set, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Gloria, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
All right. Now, please write down all the subsets of this A set, all right? Write down all the subsets. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Yes, Gloria, tell me the answer.
So, pi,
Phi, all right,
A,
all right.
B,
Hmm.
C,
All right.
A comma B is 1.
Mhm.
Then B comma C,
All right.
A comma C,
Okay.
and A comma B comma C.
Absolutely right. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the other students clear? No response. Everybody is silent. You all know about this. Mazia, Alvia, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
All right. Okay. So this is all we did in the last class, right, Peer?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move forward. I told you about proper subset also, right? Proper subset means B is a proper subset of A, all right? Because A and B are not equal, all right? If I write down 1 also, that means B is a subset of A, but A is also equals to B. That means they are improper subset, all right? But I remove 1, that means B is a subset of A and B is not equals to A. So B is a proper subset of A. Clear? This is the definition.
Yes, sir.
All right. You can write down a formula, number of total subsets of a set. All right. All the students, please write it down. This is new topic. All right. If there is a set A and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. All right. Then total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power 4. All right. This is the simple formula. If there is another set B which has n elements, then total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power n. My 4 and n looks almost identical, so keep that in mind. All right, let's make it m. This is n. All right, 2 raised to the power m. All right. Gloria, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
All right. So if I ask you, I'll give you a question. All the alphabets, then total number of subsets in A. All right. Think about this and tell me the answer. If A is a set of all the alphabets, then total number of subsets in A. Do you have your answers? Peer,
Sir, is it A is equal to 2 raised to Z?
2 raised to the power
Z,
Z.
yes.
Why Z?
Sir, because last is Z, right?
All right. Gloria, do you have the answer? Okay. Alvia, Mazia,
So 2 raised to the power 26.
2 raised to the 26. All right. Rahman,
Yes, sir. 2 to the power of 26.
all right. And Savannah, you are also new here. You are late. I revised the chapter. You missed it again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry. You will get the notes. All right. And if you still don't understand anything, you can ask. All right. Don't
Yeah.
worry. Yeah. So this thing you know, right? If I explained, you were present in this.
Yes, sir.
So the answer will be 2 raised to the power 26, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All
Sir,
right.
so we should write the numbers. We can't write the alphabets.
No. See, what did I say? If a set has 4 elements, then the total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power 4,
Yes, sir.
right? If it has m elements, that means the total number of elements is m. Then total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power m. All right.
Yes, sir.
So A is the set of all alphabets. There are 26 alphabets, right?
Yes, sir.
So the total number of elements is 26. the value of m is 26, then total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power m, that is 2 raised to the power 26, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
All right. Let's move forward. Everyone clear? Okay. I'll take that as a yes. Write down intervals. As subset of R. Intervals. Does anyone know about intervals? What is an interval? Not movie interval.
Break.
Yeah, that was I was saying not movie interval. All right, that you can buy popcorns and everything. Interval in mathematics. Have you ever seen anything like this? We write this: open brackets, close brackets. No, all right.
Separation.
Separation. No. Separation. Separation. We can say selection. All right. This is older brother of set. All right. Interval is the older brother of set. What do we do in set? We select few numbers or elements out of a large number of sets, right? We select a few based on a simple condition. What interval does is there are 4 kind of intervals. All right, this, and this. All right, write it down. This is for intervals, not that specific one. 4 types of intervals. Write all this down. I'll explain.
Sir, all of these are different brackets.
Yeah, this is parenthesis, this is square brackets, this is square bracket one side, parenthesis the other one, and this is reverse of that.
Okay, sir.
All right. All right. First write open interval. Open is this. All right. We generally use this in the chapter inequalities. All right, solving inequalities, but this has vast application. All right. If I write this a comma b, remember only 2 numbers go in intervals. All right, only 2. Something comma something. In sets we can write a lot of numbers. In intervals we only write 2 numbers, something comma something. All right.
Okay, sir.
So if I write a comma b in open brackets, this is called open brackets. All right. This
Yes,
means all x such that x is greater than a but less than b. Write this down, then I'll explain. If I write like this, open brackets a comma b, this means all x such that x is greater than a but less than b. All right. This means if I write 3 comma 4, this will mean all x such that x is greater than 3 but less than 4. Peter, how many numbers are there between 3 and 4? Peter, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
How many numbers are
between
there?
3 and 4.
Yeah.
Sir, none.
One. Which one is that?
No, sir. Uh, Sir, only decimal numbers.
Yeah, I'm asking how many.
Sir,
Number
10.
of 10. All right. Mazia, how many numbers are there between 3 and 4?
No numbers.
No numbers. All right. Gloria,
Yes, sir.
how many numbers are there between 3 and 4?
So there is no numbers.
No numbers. All right. Rahman, can you answer?
Sir, no numbers.
No numbers. Oh my God.
Sir, infinite.
Yeah, who said it? Alvia or Savannah?
Savannah.
Yeah, right. What is happening? Why do you think only integers are numbers? Everything is a number, right? See, in number line, you guys know number line?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next time I know which questions to ask in Viva. All right. Yes. So between 0 to 1, there are infinite numbers, right? From 0.0000000 infinite times 1 to 0.999999999 infinite times 9, right? I
Yeah.
didn't ask about,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I didn't ask about integers or decimals or anything like that. I just asked numbers. So there are infinite numbers, right? Everyone is clear now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So when they are saying between 3 and 4, that means all the numbers that lie between 3 and 4. Pir, can you tell me a number between 3 and 4?
Any number, sir.
Any number.
Sir, 3.10.
3.10.
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong with this? If I say 3.10, is there anything wrong?
Sir, I should say 10.
10, and also you don't have to say 10. 0 has no use here, right? 3.1
Yes, sir.
is same as 3.10, right?
10. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You did in class 10, right? All right. 10 rational numbers between these, irrational numbers between this. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is about that only. So if I use open brackets 3, 4, that means all the numbers that lie between 3 and 4. And this sign is called greater than, right? 3 is less than x. We all know this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, we know about this. What do I need to explain? You can ask. Okay, I take that as a yes. This means 3 is less than x, x is less than 4, right? So when I write like this, that means all the numbers between 3 and 4, excluding 3 and 4. All right? Excluding 3
Yes,
and
sir.
4. 3 and 4 cannot be included in this. X cannot be equals to 3, x cannot be equals to 4. But x is all the numbers between them. All right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. We write it like this. Now the second one is closed brackets, closed interval. Here also two numbers go, a comma b. And this means all the x such that a is greater than equals to x is greater than equals to b. All right. For an example, if I write 3, 4 in closed brackets, Write it down. Right? Here what it means, x is all the numbers between 3 and 4, including 3 and 4. X can be equals to 3, x can be equals to 4. All right, that is why this is called close brackets. All right,
Yes, sir.
all right, everyone clear? Mazia, Alvia, Peer, Gloria.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, now the rest two are very easy. Semi-open or semi-close. Right, you can say anything. If I write this will mean all x such that x less than equals to b but greater than a. Right, whichever bracket we use, if I use open bracket here, that means x cannot be a, so strictly greater. But there is a close bracket here, that means x can be b. All right, here x cannot be equals to a, x can be equals to b. Right,
Yes, sir.
if I use like this, that means x such that less than equals to x but less than b. X can be equals to a but cannot be equals to b. All right, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see how much clear. All right, I'll give you questions. Note it down. Everyone note it down.
Yes, sir.
All right. Write the following as intervals. Right, I'll give you like this, you have to convert them into like this, whichever format is suitable. All right, first one is x is such that x belongs to R and 4 is less than 8. All right, second one is x is that x belongs to R all right.
Sir, we should convert it into both of them.
Whichever you find suitable, right? Because
Okay,
only
sir.
one of the 4 is suitable, not all. Third one is x is such that x belongs to R minus 4 equals to 8. All right, I'll give you a few minutes to solve this. Inform me when done.
Done, sir.
All right, everyone done?
Just a second.
All right. All right, Peer, tell me the answer of the first one.
Yes, sir. Sir, open brackets, and we should write 5, 6, and 7.
Open brackets 5, 6,
5,
and
6,
7.
7, 7.
All right. Is this right? Alvia, is this right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mazia,
Yes, sir.
yes. All right. Gloria,
Yes, sir.
all right. Savannah,
Sir, isn't it supposed to be open bracket 4 comma 8 open bracket?
right. Okay, let me go 10 minutes backwards. All right, time traveling. And here. Peer, what are we studying? Intervals, right?
Yes, sir.
What did I say? In intervals, only two numbers go. Like this, A comma B. All right, let me explain again in a new way. See, there are four types of intervals. Like this, like this, like this, or space. This. All right, Peer.
Yes, sir.
What this interval means is there is a bag, all right, and we are going to put numbers in this. All right, intervals can only hold numbers. All right, what numbers? If you write this, open brackets 3 comma 6. Here, if you write close bracket 3, 6. Here if you write semi open 3, 6 and 3, 6. All right. These are the only 4 combinations possible in intervals. All right. Everyone, Mazia, Alvia. Mazia, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. 2 things. Only 2 numbers can go into intervals, and these 4 formats are the only possible formats. All right. Now, what do they say? This is saying I contain all the numbers from 3 to 6. And we just saw that from 3 to 6, there are not only 2 numbers, 4 and 5, but infinite numbers, right? All this, you know, in number line from 3 to 6, there are infinite numbers. And those numbers are real numbers, right? We call them real numbers, rational, irrational, and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So they include all the numbers from 3 to 6. That means 3.11, 4.11, 5.225, everything. They just don't include 3 and 6. Am I clear? We put one
Yes,
circles
sir.
on them.
Sir, but so we should write in the first question which you gave, we should write 5 and 7 or any 2 numbers in between.
No. Again, see, if I'm saying a number greater than 3 but less than 6, all the numbers greater than 3 but less than 6, I can just write like this: 3, 6, open brackets. These include all the numbers from 3 to 6. If you write it as 4, 5, that means you left all the numbers from 3 to 4, right?
Yes, sir, but
See,
you said that we should not include 3 and 6.
yeah, but 3 and 6 are 2 numbers only. See, here if you write 5 to 7, that means 4 to 5 infinite numbers you left out, right?
Yes, sir.
But here if you write 4, 8, open brackets, that means 4 is not included, 8 is not included, but between all the numbers are included.
Okay, sir.
Am
So
I
we
clear?
can write those numbers inside.
uh, like what can you write?
Like 4 and 8 we can write inside.
I'm sorry.
Sir, 4 and 8 we can write, but it will just not be included.
Like in English you want to write like 4 and 8 but not included?
No, sir, like you're writing right open brackets 4 and 8.
Like this?
Yes, sir, but it's not included.
Yeah, 4 and 8 are not included because this is open brackets. All right.
But we can write it.
Yeah, you can write it. That is open bracket means.
Okay.
If this is parenthesis used, that means 4 and 8 will not be included. All right.
Okay, sir.
That is self-defined. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't have to even explain. If you just write like this 3, 6, that means every mathematician who knows a little bit maths will know that we are talking about all the numbers from 3 to 6 except 3 and 6. All right.
Okay, sir.
Everyone clear? Mazia, Alvia? Mazia, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Gloria?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir,
Now,
and all of them we should write only 2 numbers in even in square brackets and semicircle.
yes,
That all of them only 2 numbers that can fit.
yes, only 2 numbers can be fit into this in intervals. See,
Yes, sir.
if I write 3, 6 open brackets, that means all the number from 3 to 6 but we will not be counting 3 and 6 in it. But if I write close brackets, that means 3 and 6 will be included. If there is a number line, that means all the numbers from 3 till 6. All right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. If I write like this, here open, here close, that means 3 will not be included. Here open circle, but all the numbers from 3 to 6. All right? And don't think like
Yes, sir.
all the numbers, that means 4 and 5 only. All the real numbers. There are infinite numbers here, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
All right. Mazia? Mazia, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Alvia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gloria?
So,
All right. Please try to answer this now. I'll give you another 2 minutes. All right. Think about this. Here, 4 is not included because x is strictly greater than 4, but less than 8. That means all the numbers from 4 to 8, but not 4 and 8. That means open brackets 4 to 8, right? All the numbers from 4 to 8 without 4 and 8. Think about all of them. All right. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Sir, done.
Okay, everyone done? Let's see. Please tell me the second one. What will be the answer?
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, the open brackets -12 and -10.
All right. Mazia, is this right?
Yes, sir. It's right.
All right. Alvia?
yes, sir.
Okay. Gloria? Is it right?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
It is correct. All right. So if all of you have said that, then how can I deny, right? So it is correct. Okay, Peer, let Gloria answer the third one. Gloria, you have to answer the third one. You are not audible.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now we can.
So, a curved bracket minus 4 comma 8 square bracket.
Okay. Peer, is this right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mazia?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
All right. So I think now you get it. Fourth one, Mazia answer. Mazia, you will have to answer. Fourth one.
So the bracket,
Which bracket?
the square bracket on both sides, and minus
All
6
right.
comma 4.
6, 4. Right, Peer?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now everyone is clear, right? No worries.
Yes, sir. Clear.
All right. Now I can move forward. Okay. Any doubts, anyone in intervals? No.
No, sir.
All right. Write down power set. All right. The definition is the collection of all subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. Right, write down the definition. Done. Peer, done.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll explain, but first try
So
to
once
solve this
again,
question. All right. So when I ask you 2-3 times, why do you guys not say anything? I'll have to assume, right? If you don't speak and say anything.
done, sir.
All right. Solve this question. If A is Peer, Mazia, Alvia. Write down all the subsets. Oh, again, A and A, you'll be confused and write this as AL. All right. Write down all the subsets of A. Savannah, you know how to write subsets?
Yes, sir.
All right. Write down all the subsets of A. Right. Done, everyone? Mazia, Alvia, Gloria, Savannah, done? See, you guys are not saying anything.
Yes, sir.
All right. How many elements are there? How many subsets are there?
8.
8. All right.
Yes, sir.
We can see apply the formula also, 3 elements. So then value of m is 3. The total number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power 3. That means 8. All right. Total number of elements will be 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Subsets. We all know all the subsets. One is P, then M, A, L, P, comma M, P, comma A, L, M, comma A, L, P, M, A, L, and 5. Right? These are all the subsets of A. Now look at the definition. The collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. That means if you make a set of all these subsets, there is a set which contains all these subsets. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And don't confuse with writing this. Like, don't write this. Phi is a set in itself. All right. When you are writing the phi set, just write phi. All right. Sometimes we get confused. So if I make a set of all the subsets of A, this is called power set of A. Am I clear? Absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mazia, Alvia? Alvia, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Gloria, Savannah?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So how many elements are there in power set of A? 8 elements. We denote number of elements as n. N P of A is 8, right? Because total number of subsets were 8. So the elements in power set of A is 8, right? Peer? Peer, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So don't get confused. See, there is a set A. It has 3 elements. So the number of subsets will be 2 raised to the power 3. That means 8. So the number of elements in power set of A will be 8, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's try a question. If n of A, that means number of elements in A is 2, then n of P of A. You have to find this question mark. I'll give you 2, 3, 4, as much as time you want. Try to solve this. Think about this. All right. This is power set of A, power set of A. Number of elements in power set of A. All right.
Yes, sir.
If you want, write set A as A comma B. You can even find out by writing it out, but you don't have to. All right, just think about this. I'll give you 2-3 minutes.
Sir, you're saying 2 elements, so there will be 5 also. Should we include 5 or
Yes,
just 2
because see,
elements?
no, just 2 elements. Phi is not an element of every set. Phi is a subset of every set, right?
Yes, sir.
Phi is not an element. So whenever they have written elements, they are the only elements. All right. Phi is a subset. All right.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Done, anyone? Just because I said take as much as time you want doesn't mean you will take half an hour. Peer,
Yes, sir.
done?
Sir, I'm a little bit doubtful.
All right. Savannah?
Sir, I'm not sure, but is the number of subsets is 16?
Okay, I'm asking number of elements in power set of A.
Yeah, is it 16?
All right, we'll see. Mazia?
Sir, I'm pretty stuck. I don't know.
Don't know. All right. Alvia? Okay. Gloria? Gloria, I couldn't hear you. Okay, let's see. Solve this step by step. All right. You don't need to take 2 steps at a time. Let's just find out P of A. All right. If there are 2 elements in number of in set A, then total subsets will be 2 raised to the power 2. Am I right, Peer?
Yes, sir.
So there are 4 subsets, right, of A.
Yes, sir.
That means in P of A, there are 4 elements,
Yes, sir.
right? This step is clear.
Yes.
That means n of P of A is 4 because P of A has 4 elements.
Yes, sir.
Now power set of A. Suppose this set I call it B, and I have to find out the power set of B. I know that set B has 4 elements. That total subsets will be 2 raised to the power 4, and that is 16. So power set of B will have 16 elements. Be it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mazia?
Yes, sir.
All right. Alvia, Gloria? Gloria?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Savannah, you solved this method only?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's try another question, all of you. All right. A set has 3 elements. You have to find number of elements in P of A. That means power set of A. One by one, take one step. All right. We'll get the answer. All right, done everyone? Peer?
Sir, it will be like 3 to the power 3 and again to the power 3. 3 times it will be right.
Okay, 3 raised to the power 3, again 3 raised to the power 3. That means 3 raised to the power 3
No,
is 27.
no, sir, not like that. 3 raised to the power 3 and then to the power 3 and again to the power 3. Sir, is it like that?
Okay, we'll see. Mazia, Alvia?
Sir, 2 to the power 3.
Sit.
No, like 2 to the power 3 3 times.
How should I write it?
Like
two-
8, like 2 to the power 3, then 8 to the power 3, then 512 to the power 3.
All right. Okay. Alvia? Okay. Gloria? Gloria, do you have the answer?
So just a minute.
All right. Savannah?
Sir, I don't know if mine is correct. I got 2 raised to 256.
All
I
right, we'll see.
think- Okay.
Don't worry, we'll see what the answer is. Why are you guys getting 3 all of a sudden? Why is it 3?
So like A, B, C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3 elements are there. So total number of element subsets of A will be 2 raised to the power 3, and that is 8. Right? But again, why are you getting 3?
Because like power of, so it's there 3 times. So I thought we should do
No.
3 times.
Take step by step. See, you got number of elements in P of A, right? This is 8. Right? So power
Yes,
set
sir.
of A will have 2 raised to the power 8 set elements, right? I'll solve it easily. Gloria, are we done?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Take step by step. All right, forget about everything. Just try to find out P of A. We all know P of A will have 8 elements, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So N of P of A will have 8 elements. I can call P of A as B, right? I can name anything. So N of B will be 8. Now let's simplify this question. We'll have I write P of A as B, right? Any doubts? No.
Sir, you're getting 8 in how, sir? It cannot be 3 raised to the power 3.
No. I told you what is the formula. 2 raised to the power m. M is the number
Yes,
of
sir.
elements. All right. This is not 3 raised to the power
Okay.
3. The formula is 2 raised to the power m. M is the number of elements. All right. So now I have B set where it has 8 elements. I have to find power set of B. That means total number of subsets in B. So it has 8 elements. So total number of subset will be 2 raised to the power 8. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So total number of subsets of B is 2 raised to the power 8. That means P of B, N of P of B will have 2 raised to the power 8 elements. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And 2 raised by 8 is 64. Is it 64? $512. 512. What is 2 raised to the power 8?
64.
64. All right. Okay. P, is it 64? Are you using calculator?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right. It's not 64.
Sir,
Calculate 2 raised to 8.
256.
256. How do you calculate? How did you calculate?
Sir, 8 times I have to multiply 2.
Yeah, 2 raised by 8 is 256.
Yes, sir.
All right. You should know this. This is 2
Yes,
raised
sir.
by 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 times. So 2 raised by 256. Okay. So number of elements in power set of B is 256. If I say P of B as C, that means N of C is 256. The question becomes N of P of C. So because C has 256 elements in it, power set of C will have 2 raised to the power 256 elements.
Sure. So in exam we should calculate and write the final answer also.
No, you cannot use calculator in exam.
No, we should calculate and write the final exam and final answer also.
No. You will not be able to calculate this. Even
Yes,
the
sir.
calculator will have to breath, right? Like breath, it will get like E and something. It will show something like that. Leave it as it is. All right.
Okay, sir.
This number is a like very big number. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Savannah, how are you getting? Did you say this or 512?
No, sir. I said 2 raised to 256.
All right. But then, Mazia, Alvia, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Absolutely clear, right? Take step by step. Just take another, name it, anything like that, right? Rename the question. Then you'll be able to get. All right. So this is the question. Let's move on. Singleton set. As the name suggests, if a set has one element, then it is called singleton set. You can write the definition on your own. Please write it down. I'll give you 2 minutes. All right. If a set has a single element, then it is called singleton set. All right. Universal set.
So what is the before that? What do you write, sir? Singleton set.
A equals to this is A only. Right? Just as any element you can write. Put any element. Right? If there is only one element, no matter what the element is, if it has only one element, then it is called singleton.
Okay.
Yeah. Universal set. A set that contains all set in a given context is known as universal set. Write it down, then I'll explain. All right. See, what this means is everything we know matters only when the given context we know. So universal set doesn't mean that everything in this world is in this set. This only means that all the elements we are talking about in a given question, all right, in a given context. Suppose I give you a question where set A is 1, 2, 3, set B is 3, 4, and C is 5, 6. All right. Suppose in a given question, these are the sets that are given. All right. So universal set will be a set that contains all the elements. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will not have like 10, 12, anything like that. Only the elements that we know in the given context. All right. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move ahead. Add down Venn diagrams. Definition: most of the relationships between sets can be represented by Venn diagrams or by means of diagrams which are known as Venn diagrams. These diagrams consist of rectangles and circles, usually circles. universal set is represented by a rectangle. You can read, right? My handwriting.
Yes, sir.
All right, write it down.
Done, sir.
All right. So this is nothing, very easy. All right. Suppose we have a set 1, 2, 3, and B is 3, 4. Let I give you an example here 5, 6. How can I represent this in Venn diagram? Oh. See, universal set will be represented by a rectangle. All right. Universal set will have all these sets. So A, B, and C. All right. A will have 1, 2, 3. B will have 3 and 4. C will have 5 and 6. Okay. Why did I intersect them? Because 3 is common to both. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If I give another example, A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we'll have, this is B. See, A is a subset of B, right? 1, 2, 3 is in B. So A will be inside B. All right. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 4 and 5. You don't have to write 1, 2, 3 again in B, because see, all the area that this circle encloses is the elements that are in B. All right. So 1, 2, 3 is covered by B. So you don't have to rewrite. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Everyone? Mazia, Alvia, Gloria?
Yes, sir.
All right. Savannah?
Yes. Sir.
All right. Let's move ahead. Operations on a set. What operations can we perform on sets? Which is union of sets. Right. The union of a set A and set B is the set which consists of all the elements of set A and set B. And the common elements taken only one. Right? The symbol is represented or written is used to represent union. All right, write it down. Symbolically, we write A union B. Done?
One minute, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Done.
Right. See, what this means is you just take all the elements of both sets, put it in a single set, and that is called union. If I write A union B, all right, write down all the elements of A, 1, 2, 3, all right. Now, when taking all the elements of B, don't repeat the numbers, all right. You see 2 is already there, 3 is already there, so just write 4, all right. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's give you a question. A is 1, 2, 3, B is 4, 5. What will be A union B?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, absolutely right. Okay. Mazia, Alvia, Gloria, Savannah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very easy, right? Yeah. It's like child's play. Union is piece of cake. So let's see. Somebody is left. Yeah. Is A, B, and C. A union B. Okay. Mazia, tell me the answer. Mazia, you have to tell me the answer. You're not audible, Mazia. Okay. Peer, tell me the answer.
Sir, A, I, O, U, E, B, C.
All right. So Mazia, you can rejoin if something is not working properly. So this is very easy, right? I don't have to do more questions on this. So write down properties of union. Properties of union. Right? A union B is equals to B union A. This is called commutative law. Right? Second is A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. This is called associative law. Right? Childhood you take this. A union phi. What will be the answer of A union phi? Can anyone tell me the answer of A union phi?
Sir, A.
A, absolutely right, because phi has no elements, so all the elements will be of A. Okay, A union A.
Sir, A.
A. U union A. This is universal set, all right? Don't get confused. Universal set union A.
Sir, commutative law, right?
Now, this is commutative law. A union B equals to B union A. Here I'm asking, what will be the answer of universal set union A? Universal set is a set, right? So this will be universal set. All right, because universal set is the set which contains a set. So all the elements will be from union universal set, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, write this all down. I'll give you 1 minute.
Done, sir.
All right. So this is all for today's class. In the next class, we'll start intersection of sets. Any doubts from today's class?
No, sir.
No. All right, new students, Gloria, Savannah.
No, sir.
All right, Gloria.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mazia. All
Sir,
right. Yeah. Yes, Savannah.
So this is term 1 chapters, right?
Right.
So will you be continuing with term 1 or?
Yeah. See, in a few classes, I'm going to complete relation functions also. All right. You can revise meanwhile. All right. You don't need to worry. After that, we'll be starting term 2. All right.
So because term 1 examinations in my school are over.
Yeah. Don't worry. Meanwhile, you can revise, right? Few things here and there.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And don't think that the exams are over and we don't need to know even few things.